Do you want to maybe go... Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, okay.
Everybody thinks that she's so big. Guys, she's the tiniest thing.
Silly boy. You're kind of being demanding.
Winnie! Let go! Winnie! Get... Oh my god. Winnie! Let go of my panties! Oh my god! Winnie! Stop! Come here, baby. Oh, good job! Good job!
Okay, I'm gonna go to Starbucks.
Good job, buddy!
How would be? What are they doing on it? What are they just sitting on it? Where are their people? Just right there. Oh God. You okay?
Theo, waar staat? Waar staat? Where is it? Where staat? Find him. Didn't even see.
Going to jail for being too fluffy and cute. Get over here.
Xavier, okay. Come here. Let's cuddle. Stella, come on. It's time to go night-night. Come here. Wow. Stella. You don't want to come cuddle? You're so rude. Oh, Jesus Christ! Jump, 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 jump.
Hello. Can I help you?
What's up? What y'all doing?
Smokey, what are you doing? Why are you passing there, Smokey? Smokey, I'm talking to you.
Mana.
That's her butt. Don't touch him.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Mama.
I love you so fucking much. I'm not gonna kill you.
Welcome to New York.
It's the way.
Luna, no! Luna!
Parmesan, sir.
Say when.
Good job, Arnold. Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Hey.
You are not going to school with me. You need to get in the house. You're not going to school today. Stella, you gotta get in the house. Are you ignoring me? I'm sorry. I wish I could take you to school. Stella. Are you gonna demand this is happening?
Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam?
Не буду.
Bienvenidos al tercer capítulo del 13
¿Qué?
Go outside?
You wanna go outside? Oh!
So he hates the windshield wipers, apparently.
No, go further away. No.
Then let him do it.
Why do I gotta move it? Let him do it.
Who choose my remote? Dixie? Or Sandy?
Yep. We just need to go to sleep. You just need to go to sleep.
Here, the lion gets its prey in the water. Oh, he rips it to shreds. No, Kate, no!
I missed you too. Oh, yes, I missed you too. I'm sorry I had to work today. Missed you. Yes. I love you. Aw.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren is the best.
Go again. That's it. Go.
Thanks.
Max, is the couch monster back?
Excuse me, sir.
From the side.
No, he looks like a roasted ham. Look at. Look, he looks. No, look at him. Dad, look at him.
I look at him all day.
No, Mom, look at him.
You know how to bark now?
I've never heard of bark.
This is what it's like having a jealous dog.
What do you think? You wanna...
Come here. Oh my god. Oh!
Want me to throw it?
All right.
What do you need? What?
She farted.
Stella, are you enjoying the sun and the warm breeze? Love you.
Look, we're not gonna get on a leash, but there's nowhere to go.
What about the pee and the poop on the floor? Who did it?
What is it, Sasha?
Boys.
Get her. Look at her. Look at her.
In the sink.
What you doing in the sink? What you doing?
What is she licking?
Dishes.
Let's go shake off outside. Franklin. Oh, oh!
Fram.
What's that?
He's such a good girl. Come on. Come. Get down. Oh. Sometimes when I know you want to go outside, I pretend like I don't hear you because I don't want to take you outside.
Don't come in here with all that again. I literally said, don't come in here with all that.
Hey.
Let me.
It's baking as fast as it can.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
you? Oh, okay. You're adopted. Yes, you're adopted. Your leg is literally hitting you.
Naipusa yun. Alam mo, nakabawi na yung pusa sa'yo ngayon. You just sit down, you be nice. That's your sibling. Crew, meet Donald. That's Dana. Dana, Crew, Donald.
Did you tell? Did he come home? Stay. Is that your dad? Oh my goodness.
Ah, there he goes. He's acting up. I told you. Jealous. Like little brothers, they jealous.
Oh no. Oh no.
Bring your butt here.
Hey, Boo.
Hey, Boo.
Посмотрите на эту кошку.
Wait. Wait. Monsters! Monsters gone away.
So this is what love looks like.
Miss, is this your coffee? Here you go, miss. Сяда, нельзя кровать застилать.
Just don't run.
Did you fart? Did you just fart?
Я думал собака, а не белка.
Wanna go outside?
Leo, you want a treat?
Oh, that was good.
一定要是理想型吗？我不行吗？
Что ты расскажи?
Nothing, Dingo? Nothing?
Does she usually barks at you? Yes.
She take it?
Hi, come here. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's a daddy.
Hey, you're on fire!
Did he take your toy? What happened? Oh, did he get your toy? He thinks it's food.
Danny! Oh my gosh. Were you a bad dog? Or were you a good dog? Which one is it? Oh my gosh.
Hey, buddy.
Skinny jeans. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
You ain't gonna use that. Ain't nobody playing with you. But you wanna act like this little innocent princess. Come here, damn it. Come here. Come here.
没人可以放开走一会儿就好。哎呀，哎呀，这里，
Get up, buddy. Okay.
Really had no idea what's behind him. Oh, you. Oh.